Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. We're out here digging up some of our bunching onions. Now, as you can see, these have gone to seed. We've still left a few up that way. But it's just a matter of digging them up. What we'll do is we'll take these seed tops in. Now this seed top here, I don't know if you can see, but it's a little darker. Now, it's easier to see with these two side by side. This one here is real light looking. This one hadn't been gotten by the bees. This here is a little darker. So it's going to have some seed in it. We'll save these. Looks like flies are taking and doing some of the pollination too. But anyway, what we're going to do is take these up and we're going to save the seed tops, and we're going to prepare the onion to replant it. And that might sound silly to some of you that's not familiar with bunching onions, but we'll go through that process. So right now the first process is getting them out of the ground and getting the seed tops off. Now we have them all pulled up. We still left a few up here, which we'll deal with these later. They're not going to hurt to grow, and it'll keep the bees with a little bit of entertainment because they really like these. So we'll let them enjoy them. All right, now what I'm going to do is prepare these onions, and I'm going to try to do this one-handed here. I do two things. I come down here and I just cut the roots off. And cut that, and then I'm going to come back here and I'm going to cut that top off. Now I don't need all this other part of it. I'm just going to throw this aside, but I just cut them like this. Now I'm going to let them dry out, and I'll give them a week or two to dry out, and what they'll do is they'll start growing a new onion from the what's left here, and this will grow into a beautiful onion. But whenever these get dry, we'll do another video on planting them back into the ground. But that's all I'm going to do for right now. I also want to mention I'm going to snap off these seed heads. All the seed heads that are that appear to be pollinated, that's not fresh and white, I'll save these. I'll just right now I'll put them in a bucket, but I'll spread these out on something that I can catch the seeds. So if you're going to save onion seeds, just find you a place. You know, it can be a table, it can be anything, maybe a sheet or something. Spread them out where they can get air around them and can dry. And then once they start drying, they'll go ahead and drop out a lot of the seeds. And there's 3 bushels of onions that have been gotten ready to be replanted. I'll just put these on something, spread them out. And I didn't save all the seed tops, but there's some seed tops. I'll spread these out on something. And that's what happened with all the rest of it. You go in the compost pile. Okay, we've let these onions dry about a week. Now you could separate some of these and pull them off. Now a lot of this it's actually where it was going to seed, but these could be actually multiplying out. You don't have to do that. You can just take these. Now occasionally you would probably want to. You can see that this is a little onion that's growing. That's what's left of the old seed top. But what we're going to do is we're going to gather these up and we're going to put these back in the ground. But like I say, you can see where there's two stems, and you could go through the trouble, but if it's the seed top, it's already been clipped off. This is going to grow an onion now. These will all grow back, and they'll grow good, healthy onions. So what we'll do is I'll get all these, and I'll go stick them in the garden. Now, all we got to do is put these back out here in the garden, which is a simple process. Just, they don't have to be planted real deep. And these don't have to be planted far apart because they're not a bulbing type onion. So you don't have to have that extra room. They'll get plenty of nutrients and grow a good, healthy onion. And what I'll do is come back and fertilize this. And as normal, it most likely be chicken manure, but I might actually take some organic nitrogen and throw on here too to really get them to spring up. But that's all it is to it. Now, these will make some nice onions. You can have enough extras to go to seed. Of course, I do have seed that I've already collected, but once I get these planted, I'll go through the same process with the rest of these onions here and get them in the ground ready to go. But you can see on a lot of these how the green is coming up. They're starting to grow on out. Some of them actually got little pointed tips coming out of them. But anyway, they're wanting to grow. They're wanting to make nice big green onions. I call them table onions. But if you want to see more of my videos, just hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you'll be notified. And if you like it, give it a big thumbs up and share it. That helps my channel. Happy gardening.